Hey, I'm Matt Monero, Commercial Fleet in Dallas. Stuff breaks down and you need a repair and maintenance fund to help you with it. We've seen it so many times over the years in which our customers have a flat tire or a blown transmission or an engine problem and they have no reserves to cover it. Look, we're in the transportation business. We're using our equipment. Stuff is going to break down. So when it breaks down, you need to make sure that you have a repair and maintenance fund set aside. We recommend in our book, 10 Tips Everyone in Transportation Needs to Know Now, we recommend that you have it as a separate account. Something totally different than your primary business operating account. That means you need to take money every single month out of your operating account. You need to squirrel it away into your repair and maintenance account. And we think the number should be $1,000 a month. Now you're going to know that better. I don't want to tell you what that repair and maintenance account should have in it, but we believe it should be about $1,000 a month or $12,000 a year per truck. You might think that's a lot. Some of our customers actually think that's a little. And by the way, the newer the piece of equipment, maybe that number comes down, but the older the piece of equipment, maybe that number goes up. But it doesn't ignore or dispute the fact that repair and maintenance is going to happen, and we at Commercial Fleet want you to be prepared. So start a repair and maintenance account now and start squirreling away that cash because you and I both know you're going to use it. All of this, that's tip number 9 out of our book, 10tipsbook.com. It's our help. It's our gift to you free of charge to help you start running an incredible business and be able to operate on your business and not just operate in your business. I'm Matt Monero and I'll see you down the road.